Yesterday we were somewhere up there. Boomy and I, we've got no idea what is this. How many days?
Maybe 6 days.
6 days in France, and she's been turned into a floor person. We're going to Port Olympia to see the yacht. Oh my god. And then we're going to eat lunch. And then we're going to a villa that's really famous and beautiful. I've already booked the ticket, so we must be there. And then we're going to explore the old town in another town in France.
J'ai beau sangloter, jamais je pleure. C'est l'effet Jocaré, mon cher. La balle n'atteint jamais vraiment les airs.
Yesterday we were somewhere up there.
Je veux t'embrasser, mais pas encore.
Which one?
Je ne veux pas trop faire trop d'efforts. Je ne t'aime pas, non, je t'adore.
I will.
Je voudrais t'adorer bien plus fort. C'est l'effet Jocaré, mon cher. La balle n'atteint jamais vraiment les airs. C'est l'effet Jocaré qui dure. La te revient dans la figure.
Oh wow, wow, he's so...
Dans la figure.
Die wollen nur ihren Arbeitsplatz besuchen.
One steak. You can take this one, that is pretty.
Now bring me a hat, and then she wears it like that.
And then we have like this.
Old age BTS.
Oh. How does it look? Give me some freestyle.
We're in Nice. Peace. I bet our fruit's not Greece. See. How do you think?
Peace.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just need a little bit of peace. And love. I love.
I love
Let me see. Nice and so cute. Nina feels like a 17-year-old.
Yeah.
I am. Inside, I'll always be 5. Oh! Ooh, what is this? A steak. Oh, salmon? Salmon. Steak, salmon.
Wow, steak looking so good.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, I didn't know it would be this big.
It's so huge. So good. Bon appetit, buen provecho.
Gracias.
Oh my god, the guards are so
Surtout c'est vieille, c'est pas cette semaine.
I don't know if you like it though. It's good. I love it. In the summer, like back at home, I'm espresso tonic by the pool.
Oh. Make me feel weird. I like it, but at the same time like a bit sour. Daniela is now paying. Nina went to toilet and I'm just chilling here. We were staying here for like, I don't know, 2-3 hours. Oh, Nina's back. Yeah, and we're now going to the place that Nina planned. Daniela's back.
This name, every bus or tram that has this, you can use the same card. Okay.
Another episode of Nina Guides and We Follow. So in 8 minutes the bus is coming and it's perfect because the tram card is like the same as the bus card. So this is where we're going, to the villa. This is something booked by Nina. Fumi and I, we've got no idea what this is.
Where am I?
Like what this is, what's the aesthetic.
But at least we know the build is good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Honestly, this is gorgeous and everything, but I'm excited for that. There, go, 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 go. She's not running because she's excited. She's not running because she's excited. She's running because she needs to pee. I'm so happy we're not 25 yet because the ticket for this is cheaper. Don't even know what's going on in the map. Ooh, we're here though. So we're walking around the edge and then we're walking into the front of the villa. Wow. The view here is already so good. Like, oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. The view is already so good. I don't know if this is like everything to see here. I'm not complaining. The air is so fresh and the plants. What? Aloe vera?
Aloe vera.
Should we take one leaf back home for our sunburn? Okay, just finished the tour. We'll have to say, not disappointed by the outside. Inside is yeah, but we got a lot of pretty pictures
From outside.
from the outside, the garden. And now we're going to small town surrounding this so we can get coffee and pastries. Fumi got a postcard.
Postcard and like the drawing kit.
I got one small postcard from my cousin because she's like, get me postcards. So it's this small. Bro, I don't know, for me, I don't know if it's because we're close to Monaco or what, but that bus driver, he really thought he was a race driver or whatever. We were fighting for our lives to like stay like alive in there because so Nina could lean behind a pole and me and Fumi, we were like standing against the door, but every time the bus like turned, both of us like went against the door, and I was trying not to because like I'm scared that if it's gonna open then we're just gonna but we survived it. What's worse, this or Manchester's bus?
This is worse.
Yeah.
Manchester bus was better.
Because this was literally like in a hill.
Yeah.
It was like boom, boom, boom. We're like
And left and right.
we left, made a milkshake.
Smoothie.
We are in Vilfanshimmer. We're gonna make pasta carbonara. Well, Nina's gonna make the pasta, and I'm gonna make the salad, which is just lettuce.
Whose pasta is that?
Instant pasta. Make it in the microwave. Eat it. 3 minutes. What happened to you're gonna cook? No?